Samsung has always positioned its foldables as premium devices with a hefty price tag. But rumors are swirling that the company might soon change things up with a more budget-friendly option, the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, expected to launch sometime next year. And now, a fresh leak is giving us a glimpse of what might power this more affordable flip-style foldable. According to a post on X by tipster Jukanlos Reef, the same source who recently spilled details on the Galaxy S25 Slim, the Galaxy Z Flip FE could come equipped with the same chipset as the Galaxy S24, but it's not the one you might think. Instead of the usual Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it looks like Samsung could go for its Exynos 2400 chipset for this more affordable foldable. Now here's the twist. While the Galaxy S24 series in the US and Canada runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, most of the world, including Europe and Asia, gets the Exynos 2400. There's been some back and forth over whether Samsung's Exynos processors are on par with Qualcomm's, but it's still promising to see Samsung giving its budget foldable a processor that's from its flagship range. But that's not all. The leak also hints that Samsung might save its next-gen Exynos 2500 chip for next year's top-tier foldables, like the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. This would be a pretty big move, as Samsung has always relied on Qualcomm's processors for its foldables, no matter where you live. In fact, the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 both run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 globally. But with all the reports of issues with Exynos 2500's production, it's still early days, and there's plenty of time for things to change. All of this points to the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition potentially arriving next summer, alongside Samsung's flagship foldables. Samsung's feeling the heat from brands like Motorola and Nubia, who are offering flip-style foldables at much lower prices. Looks like Samsung is gearing up to compete in the more affordable foldable market. So, what do you think about a budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE variant? Excited to see Samsung dip its toes into the more affordable side of foldables? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out the channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.